So the purpose of this exercise is about to find the value of n and the value of k. And we have already been given that 1 plus kx to the power of n is equal to 1 plus 9x over 2 plus 15k squared x squared plus blah 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 until kn to the power of kn and x to the power of n. So if you see like this, that means this is an expansion of 1 plus kx to the power of n. And we already know that if a plus b to the power of n, we can consider that it equal to sum of sum from k equals 0 until n of combination n k a to the power of n and b to the power of n minus k. So for this case, we can consider 1 equal a and kx equal b. Okay, so we can just say here 1 plus kx to the power of n equal to equal to combination of n 0 and 1 times kx to the power of what? To the power of 0. So that means nothing. Okay, we can just don't write it. And then it's c and 1 times kx to the power of 1 and plus c and 2 kx squared and blah blah. So I just expand until this because we already give here this term. So we can compare and find the value of k and n by using this. Okay, so we can we can say like c and 1 of kx equal to 9x over 2, right? So c and 1, what is that? So we have to remember one formula that means combination r from n equal to n factorials over r factorials and n minus r factorials. So r in this case is equal 1. So that will be n factorials over 1 factorials and n minus 1 factorials times kx and 9x over 2. By the way, in this case, we can divide both sides by x. So we divide both sides by x, and this side also divided by x. So x can be simplified. So there's no more x here. And furthermore, the n factorials is equal to n times n minus 1 factorials. The factorial thing, like you can see this, it means the multiplication from n minus 1, n minus 2, and so on until 1. Okay, but I just want to stop here because we want to simplify the denominator. So n minus 1 factorials times k and equal 9 over 2. So then we can consider this can be simplified and nk equal 9 over 2, right? So we can consider as equation 1. And the second thing, we can just consider 15k squares equal to this. So here, if you expand this, that will be n factorials, 2 factorials, and n minus 2 factorials, and k squared and x squared. So in this term, we can see 15k squared times x squared. So this also had x squared and also had x squared. So then we can consider this equal to 15k squared. So our next step is what? So here we can consider 15k squared equal to n factorials over 2 and n minus 2 factorial times k squared. So since both sides contain k squared, so then we can simplify k squared from this side and also from this side. So then we can say 15 equal to n times n minus 1 and n minus 2 factorials over 2 times n minus 2 factorials. You will be skeptical why I expand like this, because like I told you, n factorials, it means n times n minus 1, times n minus 2, and so on until 1. But in this case, I just stop at n minus 2 because I just want to simplify it. So this can be simplified, and then we can 15 equal n, I can say n squared minus n over 2, and we can consider n squared minus n equal 30. And we got the equations, which is quadratic equations. So 30 equal 0. So then we can find the root from this equation by using discriminants, which is n equal to negative 1 here. That will be positive 1 plus or minus square root of negative 1 square minus 4 times 1 times 30. Okay? So that will be 2 here and 1 plus or minus square root. This is 1 and negative 30 here. I'm sorry. So negative times negative will be positive. It's 120. So that will be 121. Repeat is 1 here, and negative times negative is positive, and 4 times 30 is 120. So 120 plus 1 is 121. So over 2, but square root of 121 is 11, so 1 plus or minus 11 over 2. But in this case, n, we already been told that n is the positive integer, so n cannot be negative. So we choose n equal to 1 plus 11 over 2, which is 6. 12 over 2 is 6. And we already know that kx, that nk equal 9 over 2, okay? But nk equal 9 over 2. So then we can consider like 6 times k equal 9 over 2. That will be, we can say k equal to 9 over 2 times 6, which is 9 over 12. So 9 over 12 and n equals 6. That's all. Thank you for watching. Bye.